Okay, so here's what happened. A while back, I decided to take on a challenge. I wanted to see if I could build a new totally passive income stream in just 6 months. The big question was, could I start up a brand new Etsy store? Use some simple clip art from Canva and turn that into a print-on-demand product that I actually bought in cash. You wouldn't believe how many people were like, Ash, don't waste your time. Etsy is way too crowded. You'll never make any money. But I'm pretty determined. So I decided to run my own experiments. About 4 months ago, I posted a video, kind of on the down low, talking about how I'd like to set up this Etsy store as a little side hustle. It was bringing in a humble $200 a week at the start, but then something crazy had happened. The sales just wouldn't stop. This store now earns a solid 800 to 1k a week, and that income is totally passive. Honestly, the products on there couldn't be easier to make. Okay, here's the inside scoop. My secret weapon is something I call the cross idea formula. Basically, I found a simple, easy to use clip art on Canva. I drop them into print-on-demand products and list them on Etsy as a markup. Ready to see how it works? First things first, you've got to choose a hot selling product. Seems obvious, but if you want to make sales, you've got to offer things people actually want. Here's how I hunt for winners. I head straight to a print-on-demand app like Printify. Just think of Printify as your product warehouse. It's full of blank items you can customize. You add your design, set your price, and list it on Etsy. When a customer buys your product, Printify's printers get to work. They print your design, package everything nicely, and ship it out. You never touch a thing, but you pocket the profit. Pretty sweet, right? For our example, Printify's bestsellers page is pure gold. All those products are in demand, ready for you to add your unique touch. And the all-time champion of print-on-demand, t-shirts. So that's what I'll be using to show you the ropes. Alright, we have our winning product. Now we unleash the cross-idea formula to find designs people just can't resist. Right, here's how I went about this. The first step was simple, a generic Etsy search, something like funny t-shirts. The trick is, the Etsy algorithm loves showing you stuff that's been selling really well. That's why you want to sift through those first, and then look for popular products with really simple designs. Don't sweat it though, bestsellers will stand out a mile away. Etsy practically flags them for you. See this deer t-shirt with the basic artwork? It's racked up this many sales in just the last day. Full disclosure, I love animals and this design actually cracked me up. It's the classic wordplay joke with the two meanings plus that perfect deadpan delivery with the image. Boom, instant recipe for a hit. But here's where most newbies trip up and think making any money online is some wild dream. They copy. Just look at this. How many other people have ripped off this exact design? Now put yourself in the buyer's shoes, brand new store on Etsy, and you're selling the same shirt as someone with thousands of glowing reviews. Who are you going to buy from? It's a no-brainer. They choose the established shop every time. That's why I never copy. Instead, I whipped out my cross-idea formula to spin this idea into something fresh, something only I was selling. I spotted that killer double meaning with clever, easy-to-make graphics. Then I started hunting around other popular themes like animals, checking if anyone had thought to apply the same idea. Guess what? I hit the jackpot. Take a look at funny and cute lion t-shirts. Not a single deadpan joke in sight. Okay, time to break this down. Think about who's out there buying funny and cute lion t-shirts. Lion fans, right? And we already know those wordplay, double meaning t-shirts are a huge hit. That means we've got a golden opportunity right here. We can cross these ideas, mash them together, and give lion lovers something brand new they won't have seen before. It's backed by data. We know it sells. My store was proof. I could use this to break in as a fresh face. Alright, it's time to make this store happen. You'll need 2 free accounts to start, one with Etsy and one with Printify. If you need it, just comment below and I'll make a step-by-step video showing exactly how to get one set up. But trust me, it's a breeze. You'll find a link right in the description that gets you your own Etsy store, so you can jump right in. Just follow along with Etsy, pick your shop name, settings, all that stuff. Shouldn't take more than half an hour. Then swing over to Printify for your free account and the real fun begins, connecting it to your brand new Etsy store. Easy. Now for the good stuff. Using simple clip art to design your winning products. It's a two-part process. We'll whip up our awesome cross-idea design first, then slap it onto our hot-selling Printify product. For design magic, I use Canva. Love that it's a drag and drop. Even a total beginner can master it. Okay, get ready for this. Canva is absolutely loaded with stuff you can use. Millions of images, shapes, backgrounds, you name it, ready to go. And the best part, you can totally grab these goodies and make killer designs to pop it on a product and start earning cash. That's why I love Canva. They've got both a free account and a pro option for around $13 a month. I'll be using pro for this tutorial and I'll leave a link in the description for you to get started. Alright, let's hop into Canva and make this magic happen. First, we need our design canvas. Make it the same size as the part of the t-shirt where the image will go on. Next, head over to Elements and search for some lion silhouettes. Look at all these great options. Quick legal check before we go nuts. Canva is awesome about letting you use their free images for stuffs you sell. But here's the catch. You have to combine it with something else. Another image, or some text perhaps, to make it your own unique design. Since we're adding text anyway, we're covered. I added a text box, found a fun modern font from Canva's list. Now for that double meaning joke. Heads up, ChatGPT actually helped me brainstorm this one. I straight up asked it for funny and annoying things lions do, and one answer it gave me was how they love having loud grooming sessions as they purr when grooming one another. Bingo. So I added Zs to my t-shirt and played around with the color of the text. Boom, t-shirt magic. Right, now's where we make sure this looks super professional. Remember, high quality images are key when printing designs onto stuff. So here's how I save mine. Hit share, then download. From there I crank the image size to the absolute max. Ditch the background so it's transparent. Choose PNG format and hit save. Give it a minute to work its magic. Alright, ready for a bonus trick? Let's get back to that popular t-shirt we spotted earlier with that worn vintage effect. Turns out it's a breeze to copy that feel on our own shirts, and it makes them look awesome. First, you'll need what's called a distressed texture image. Creative Fabrica has a sweet free one. I'll put a link below. They have free trials so you can snag it yourself. Also, I swear, Photopea, which is a free tool that works right in your browser. Think of it like a no sign up version of Photoshop. Once you've got your image, layer your texture over your t-shirt design in Photopea. Quick right click on the texture, hit rasterize, then hide the shirt for a sec. Now pick color range and push it all the way to 200 with your shirt layer unhidden again. Hit edit, then clear. Boom. All that's left is revealing your shirt layer, deleting the texture, and we've gone from standard to awesome. Just like that. Finally, upload time. Printify makes it easy. Find your hot selling product, slap the design on, and adjust the placement. Easy. Oh, and titles, description, and price. That's key stuff. Secret weapon here. I aim for 30 to 40% profit margin on all my new store stuff, and that's thanks to this awesome profit calculator. I'll drop a link below. Just tell it your target profit, shipping costs, and what Printify charges you. It makes sure you're hitting those goals even after Etsy takes its cut. Okay. Now the part we've all been waiting for, those sales rolling in. For me, I usually see money from two places. Today, guess what? This new store hit $370 already. Biggest chunk just comes from folks browsing Etsy who see stuff the algorithm picks for them. That's where listing optimization counts. Take this mug here. Over $200 in a day. That's a killer listing in action. Catchy keywords in the title, but the real star is the photo. It's clear, it's enticing, and it's just what makes buyers click. Did I mention place it? Placeit gives you amazing product photos for free. Pop your design in, instant pro look. But here's my other secret weapon. Etsy ads. Yeah, they cost money, but when you get it right, they're basically cash machines. Check this out. I spent $25 today already, but it brought back $142. How? Basically, ads get my stuff boosted higher in the search results when shoppers look for something similar. I started smaller when I first tried them. Budget set to $5. You can even go down to $1 a day, no joke. The trick is watching for good ROI, which stands for return on investment. I let Etsy use around $10 on each product. Then I kill anything that doesn't get me back at least triple that amount. This one, ROI was almost 5, so it stays alive. That's what I meant by printing money. I spent $1, got back nearly 5. With a few ads like this running, it's easy passive income day after day. Alright, challenge crushed. But the fun isn't over. It's time for me to check up on my other side hustles, which I started with AI. Click here for a full step-by-step guide. And as always, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe